What if you're not the only you? What if every decision you've ever made and every decision you didn't created a new universe? One where you took a different path, kissed a different person, never existed at all? This isn't just science fiction. It's one of the most mind-bending ideas in modern physics. Welcome to the multiverse, a theory that could change how we see everything. We used to think the universe was everything. All space, all time, all matter. One reality, one existence. But science now whispers a different story, that our universe may be just a single droplet in an infinite cosmic ocean. Today, we journey into the unknown, into the very edge of reality, to explore the multiverse, a theory that suggests there may be many universes, perhaps even infinite. Let's dive in. We begin at the quantum level, the smallest scale of reality. In the quantum world, particles behave strangely. They can be in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. But once we observe them, they collapse into one outcome. Enter physicist Hugh Everett. In 1957, he proposed something radical. What if the other outcomes don't disappear, but instead continue on a new, separate universes? This is the many worlds interpretation, the idea that every quantum event causes the universe to split. That means right now there could be infinite versions of you, living out every possibility, every timeline, every path. You who stayed, you who left, you who never asked what if. Now let's zoom out to the cosmological scale. After the Big Bang, our universe expanded at breakneck speed, a process known as inflation. But what if inflation didn't happen just once? Some cosmologists propose that inflation is eternal, constantly spawning bubble universes across an ever-expanding multiverse. Each bubble is a universe like ours, or completely unlike it. Some might have different particles, different forces, even different dimensions. We live in one bubble, but we're not alone in the foam. String theory, a leading theory in physics, suggests that everything is made of tiny, vibrating strings of energy. But here's the twist. For the math to work, string theory needs extra dimensions, up to 11 of them. This leads to something called the string landscape, a nearly unimaginable number of possible universes, 10 to the 500th power. Each universe has different physical laws, different constants, and maybe different realities. This isn't just science fiction, it's science, reaching the edge of imagination. So the question is, can we ever prove the multiverse exists? That's the challenge. These other universes may lie beyond our observable horizon, forever unreachable. But some scientists are searching for indirect evidence. Tiny scars in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, a possible sign that our universe collided with another. So far, nothing conclusive. But as technology improves, the multiverse might move from theory to discovery. Let's pause. Take this in. If the multiverse is real, then somewhere out there, another you lives a different life. Maybe they're happier, or maybe you are. In a multiverse, every possibility plays out. Does that make our choices meaningless or sacred? Are we just one version of an endless story, or part of something grander than we'll ever comprehend? The multiverse doesn't just stretch space, it stretches philosophy, identity, and purpose. It forces us to ask, what is real, and how much of reality are we blind to? Maybe we'll never find proof. Maybe it's all just theory. But whether true or not, the multiverse invites us to dream bigger, to imagine that the universe isn't just vast, it's infinite, that beyond the stars we know, lie stars we'll never see, and that reality itself is deeper, stranger, and more beautiful than we ever imagined. What if we're just getting started? Thanks for watching. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and share with a fellow cosmic explorer. And remember, reality might be bigger than you think. Subscribe. Watch more cosmic mysteries. Comment. Which version of you do you think is out there?